What's up, y'all? Chef Swamp Under Fry here. Y'all don't need to see that, alright? So, today I'm taking over the show. Ignore that. We taking over, today. Preparing a special little treat, something I think y'all enjoy. I do love me some Jolly Rancher.
Get back in the fucking closet, you fucker! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, what's up? Chef Rossi here. What's going on? Yeah, don't. Excuse me. Alright, so, today, we're going to be making Jolly Rancher. No, not Jolly Rancher. Watermelon gelatin. Yeah. So, first, today, let's see. Don't mind that. We first, to make our watermelon gelatin, not Jolly Rancher flavored, we are going to have our bathtub here. This is going to be the mixing bowl of our thingamabobber gelatin. So what we're going to want to do is first get 3 bags of ice. Now, make sure they're frozen. You don't want to use unfrozen ice. That would be water. It's raining. Hallelujah. Yeah. Ooh, all in there, just like that. Just. And let's see. Now we got our second one. Yeah. Ooh. Put that in. Oh, just like this. Except, gently, because you don't want to wake up your neighbors, do you? Don't be that guy. Advice with Chef Rossi. Oh man, jeez. These bags are hard to making. Also, you can bring some scissors too, in case you aren't very strong or a woman. Because women are very weak. Besides strong women. Alright. So now that we have our ice in there, let us pour our mix. So, first in here, let's get our gelatin mix. BRB, folks. We have our gelatin mix, which I always keep inside, and I'm always very well prepared. So what I want to do, open these, Ooh! Make sure it's not cocaine. Just kind of, sprinkle that. Oh man, it looks like cotton candy or something. Let's see, just kind of like. Oh man, that smells good too. Like little cocaine pouches, It's just, sprinkle and throw in. Right? Sometimes you don't even need to buy them. They'll just like fly in through the air. Like, ready? Take a look at this one. This is gonna be real neat. Ooh! That'll caught me off guard. Let's see. Let's pour that in. Man, it's starting to get real thin. You can take a little close up if you want. Yeah. So you can see it's very pink and girly, which is what I like, because I'm not gay. Trust me. This is a recipe that takes very excruciating process. Not really much of Fuck! Fuck off! Excuse me, sorry. Well, I have anger issues. Pour that in. Let's see. Oh shit! Oh, don't. Make sure the packets go in after you tear it out. Let's see. You can also take like a little bit for yourself. It's actually pretty good. Almost done. Alright, I think that's all of them. Yeah. Okay. So next, I'm going to fill up your bathtub with cold water. Always cold, you never want to deal with hot. That's what the recipe calls for that I memorized. And now we're going to skip ahead to when the bathtub fills. Alright, well now, finally, our bathtub has been filled, and we are ready to get the mixing. But, the problem is, here at Chef Rossi, very poor, as I've said a lot of times before. So, right now, since we don't have any mixing spoons, we're gonna have to get a little bit creative here. So, oh yeah! Let's fucking, we're gonna use myself. There's a mixing spoon! Fucking shit! Yeah! I mean, safety first now. So. Hey,
Fucking good, boy.
Hey.
Good, boy.
Thanks, man.
That mouth.
Well, first, you have to have some eye protection here. So. Eye protection. Where the fuck's my eye protection? Alright, everybody, don't worry. We just have a couple of interference problems. and Chef Rossi here. Don't worry, folks. We are completely fine and ready for any situation that comes into Chef Rossi.
Oh, hello, I found them.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh! So,
I'm sorry.
now that we have our eye protection,
Fucking piece of shit.
let's just screw that on there. Beautiful, beautiful. Now let's get the mixing. So, where I want to go, just like, first test the water. Woo! Chilly. Ooh, man. Start. Ooh, man, it's getting thick. Alright. Ooh! Ooh! It's free. Oh, man, this is cold. Don't worry, here at Chef Rossi, we put pain to the limit. Oh! Oh! Mother fudger! Feel used to this word. This mix. Oh! It's really good. It's really cold. Just gotta mix it a little with the hand. Tastes real good. It's kind of. Oh, nice. More. Woohoo! Oh. Let that Jell-o run through your veins, you know? You gotta become one with the food. Always remember that if you want to be a professional chef. Okay. Oh, man. Alright, guys. No more mixing before my body goes completely numb. Well, arm spasm. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Alright, now. Now. Now, next. What we want to do is let this sit for about 1.5 hours, as I recall. So, we'll post this up a little bit more. Well, we'll come right back as soon as it's completely ready. Oh, so now, after we let this sit for 1.5 hours, our Jell-o is finally done.
Fuck you!
So now, let's take a quick scoop and see how it came out. Alright, how about a sip for you, Mr. Swampwood?
Exquisite.
How exquisite.
Very exquisite.
Just like Grandma used to make.
Excuse me, cameraman. You're not paid to talk. You're paid to film. Fuck the spoon. Oh, man. Some really good job. I'm fucking tired, Chef Rossi.
We fucked up.
Send it. We fucked up, guys. I'm sorry. Next time.
It's water. It's not Jell-o. It's water.
No.
It's colored water.
End it before.
Yeah.
No. No. Oh.